Getting icy chunks instead of smooth, soft serve? Or maybe it's way too runny. If your Ninja Swirl's texture is off, don't blame the machine just yet. Here's how to get creamy, perfect results every time. Step 1. Check your freeze time. The base needs at least 24 hours in a level freezer at 0 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 18 degrees Celsius to freeze evenly. Less time or warmer temps can lead to slushy or uneven textures. Step 2. Avoid overfilling the pint. Only fill to the fill line before freezing. Overfilled pints expand and cause pressure, affecting consistency and extrusion. Step 3. Let hard bases soften before serving. If your pint is rock solid, the swirl press can't fully break it down. Leave it on the counter for 10 to 15 minutes, then try again. Step 4. Use the right mix ingredients. Low-fat bases freeze harder, while high-sugar or high-fat mixes stay softer. Try adjusting your ratios. More dairy or sweetener often improves creaminess. Step 5. Clean the swirl path and paddle regularly. Sticky buildup from previous uses can block the paddle or nozzle, messing with texture. Disassemble and rinse after each use to prevent clogs and inconsistent results. Still getting bad results? Try a different base recipe or contact Ninja using the link below. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more easy appliance wins. Drop your mix tips or questions in the comments. We might test them next. Thanks for watching, and swirl smart.